Hey math champs, welcome to the video and I hope you all guys are ready to conquer the magical world of maths, and today we will be focusing on the solving algebraic equations. So if you identify any sentence with numbers, operation symbols, any variable and equals to sign is called a mathematical expression or equation. An example is given over here. 2 is multiplying with a variable x, adding with a 5 equals to 9. And I hope you all guys are excited to understand and learn how to solve the mathematical equations over here. Now, for an example, you went out with your friend to a candy shop and you already had some candies and your friend gave you some more candies. And let us suppose your friend gave you three more candies. So this particular equation will be used to show this scenario, this equation. Over here, x is the number of candies you had earlier while your friend gave you three more. And now when you counted, you said, we have eight candies now. So let us learn how to solve this. Over here, what you do is you have to find the x value. So you wanted to make it alone. What we see is the 3, number 3 is adding with it. So we need to subtract this with x. But as this is a balanced one, so any operation you do on the left side, you have to do the same operation on the right hand side. And now you need to simplify that particularly, and you get x because 3 minus 3 is 0. So you have x left equals to 8 minus 3 is 5. Means earlier you had 5 candies, 3 more and you get 8 candies. One more scenario. This time you had some candies and now you distributed all those candies among your friend, and now you will be learning how many candies you started with. In this case, again, 23 is getting subtracted over here. So what is the opposite of subtraction? That is addition, right? So you add 23 this side, but because this is a balanced one, you have to add 23 on the other end to solve it out. And so due to which you have x left on the left hand side, because 23 and minus 23 gives you 0 when you equals to, but 23 plus 8 gives you 31. Means earlier you had 31 candies and now after distributing 23 candies to your friend, you are left with only 8. But that is a good thing because sharing is caring, right? One more scenario. You went out with your friend and you counted he has 18 candies. And now your friend said, oh, I have double candies than you. So then you have to find, okay, how many candies I have. So you need not to like count your candies. What you can do is you can use the algebraic equation. Over here, 2 is multiplying with x. So what is the opposite of multiplication? Division, right? So yeah, so you need to divide the both sides by 2. You divided this side by 2, you divided this side by 2 because as a to maintain the balance. So 2 divided by 2 gives you 1x equals to 18 divided by 2, because we know 2 times 9 gives you 18. So that is why we have 9. That means you have 9 candies and your friend has double candies as compared to you. One last scenario before ending the video. Now you checked that your friend has half candies as compared to you, and now your friend has 6 candies. So this is the equation x divided by 2 equals 6. Over here, 2 is dividing with x. So you need to multiply x over 2 times 2 equals to 6 times 2. 2 and 2, 2 times 1 is 2. So x equals to 6 times 2 is 12. And this is how you solve the mathematical algebraic equations. Easy. We'll continue in the next video. Till then, keep solving and keep finding the algebraic equations in your real life. Till then, take care. Bless you. Bye bye, guys.